Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to Koh Tao, Thailand, day 2, vlog number 2. Last night I went out. It was an interesting night, to say the least. Got a bit of a hangover this morning. Probably easier for me to keep these on. Gonna go and grab some breakfast. We're gonna explore the little area we're in right now. It's a beautiful area. We're currently walking down the walking street, it's known as. It doesn't actually have a street name, so they call it the walking street. Let's grab some food. I've picked a spot for breakfast that I think is going to cure a hangover before I've even smelt the food. This place is ridiculous, incredible. Squid, snapper, barracuda, tuna. They got it all, man. They got it all. Omelette with mushroom and chili, as well as porridge. Thank you. Yeah, get that spicy food in, boost up that metabolism. It's just porridge, it's just standard. What a way to walk back from breakfast though. Like, this is our walk home from getting breakfast, which by the way, the breakfast costs like £4 each, and I had an omelette, porridge and orange juice and water. Incredible. Right, let's get you out of this mire. The mire of the mist. Let's go and find a hammock to sit in and read books and become intelligent, powerful men. That's what we're here to do. Let's go. Alright, so we're at a place called Freedom Beach. Absolutely gorgeous. We're right at the south of Koh Tao. We rented the bikes for 5 days, but the island is so small, we've kind of already done the entire coast and it feels like we've not actually been anywhere.
What are you looking at, George?
A lizard, bro, he's big. I think it's called a monitor lizard. They're awesome, they look like snakes, but with legs, and not just like the slithery body. You know what, Mr. Benson? This is one of the most idyllic days you could possibly have. And the one thing I think about this island that everybody watching this should know is, yes, it looks like a paradise, and some people think that when they watch a travel video that it's an unattainable thing and they can't come to these places because if it looks super light blue it must be too expensive or it must be too far away to be able to go. Thailand is so cheap, and we're talking like we're spending £10 a night to stay somewhere. We could be spending like £2 a night, £1.50 a night some places. To get here itself, it's quite expensive. But when you're actually here, you can make the whole traveling on a budget thing work, no matter what your budget is. Whether it's super small, or whether you can spend a bit more, the luxury is literally on the doorstep. All you gotta do is rent a bike, get in a taxi which costs like a couple of pounds. I don't even know how big this island is, but it's like maybe 10 kilometers max. And there's so much beautiful stuff to see, and I just wish everybody could experience an idyllic day like this. Freedom Bar, maybe one of the best beaches I've ever been to. We're going to go to another bar now, and it's apparently a little bit higher up to watch the sunset. It's going to be a good one. Let's go. Today's been loads of bars. Beaches, bars in Koh Tao. It's been a great one. Does anybody want massage?
Who's there?
Mr.
Mr. who?
Mr. Sport.